What's up, guys? I'm Nick, and this is Build Dead Build, where we take our lighting seriously. So guys, this is going to be a little bit of a different video today. I just need to swap a ceiling fan out and put a light in. The light I'm putting in is a smart LED light from Taloya. But since it's a smart light, and I think it's a little unique, I couldn't find too many that look like this, I figured I'd do a quick install and review of this light. But first, I have to take this monstrosity down. Look at that. In order to get to the housing of that thing, I gotta take all the fan blades off. Isn't that ridiculous? Oh yeah, check it out. I just installed the shiplap wall. If you guys haven't seen that video already, I'll link it right here or right there to my left, right? I'll link it right here. So it just occurred to me that the ceiling fan is still hot. Like I was gonna go flip the breaker and I did not. I haven't touched anything, there's nothing exposed yet, but we have to fix that. And I'm not sure exactly what's gonna happen because when I turned this fan on, it was spinning. I have to turn it on so I can know if the breaker shuts it off. I don't know what's gonna happen. Luckily the remote will kill it quick. That could have gotten a little nasty. I tried to be cool and point my camera at the light, and then I was gonna watch on my Apple Watch and see if the light turned off, but I got too far away and the connection, it wouldn't make the connection. So luckily my breaker box is well labeled, and I've already checked this, and it is not hot. Is it cold? I don't know. And I've already taken the light off. I thought it was recording. So a lot of times these seem more complicated than they are. Usually there's just a facade on here, if I can get it to turn. There we go. And that facade pulls down, and then you reveal your screws. So it should be super simple installation. I hate it when I say that. It comes with a mounting plate that just screws up into the ceiling, and then this light is literally gonna like hook onto here and screw in. So we will not have this ginormous fan hanging down here anymore. That was way too difficult. And then you just have two wire connectors. I'm just gonna connect the black to the black and the white to the white. If you guys don't know what you're doing with electricity, don't do this, all right? And just FYI, this is grounded to the box already, so, but there's no ground to even ground on here. All right, it works. And setup, yes, you gotta add another app, and yes, you gotta sign in like you do to all smart stuff. But it did sync pretty quickly. You just turn it on and you open the app, and if it's not already blinking, you flip your lights a couple of times and it'll find it and sync it. If you're like me and you're cursing up a storm because the instructions are all in Chinese, turn the pamphlet over and the English instructions are on the other side. You're welcome for that. Okay, so let's take it for a run. That's at 25% light right now, 25% light. That's at 25% brightness, and turn it all the way up. It's significantly bright. It's not as bright as I would have liked for this room, but it's the biggest light I could find without running like fluorescent panels. It's gonna be light enough. I'm just gonna have to supplement it with some other lighting. Maybe some LEDs, baby. But yeah, so it's pretty easy to control. It you can go from daylight all the way to like a yellowish color, and then there are colors. Ooh. I'm I have so much fun with this now. It's the middle of the day. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, it's got a, ooh, that's fancy. So you can go through the whole color spectrum, and then you can also, let's go to like something that should be easier to see, like blue. You can control how blue it is, like that's kind of mildly blue, and that's very dark blue, and then the brightness. You can create scenes. I don't know what that's gonna do. Oh, is it just changing? Ooh, it's fancy. There's some like straight out of the box stuff. You can also schedule stuff. Anyway, it's pretty cool, right? It also works with smart devices. Turn flex on. Ooh, fancy. So turn flex blue. It's so smart! I love it. But in all seriousness, the setup on this thing was super simple. I mean, it took me longer to get the fan down than it did for me to put that up, and I'm an idiot. And it synced with my phone, no problem. It synced seamlessly with my smart device, the A word over there. I love it. Very cool. All right, guys, and like I said, short, sweet, to the point. I'll link to the light down below. I picked it up on Amazon. It said it was back ordered. It was gonna be like 3 weeks, and it got here in like 4 days. So even that was sweet. I love it. It's gonna work perfect with everything else. And so that's it, man. That's all I got. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We do other stuff around here besides install lights. I like to burn the occasional piece of lumber and whatnot, and build some things occasionally. And of course, we drink the whiskey. And speaking of, Alexa, turn on whiskey lights. All right, guys, thanks for playing. I gotta get to work. Why do I feel like she also should have started playing Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye? Wow, 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 wow.